Today, we're making a shallow bowl on Naughty Devil Creations. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, we're going to be turning a cherry bowl blank into like a shallow bowl to put like rings and other things into it. So that's what we're doing today. If you're new, I'd like to welcome you. If you like what you're seeing, click the button down in the bottom corner down there to subscribe. You want to hit the bell notification up top so you're notified when I upload new videos. I will be uploading videos now every Wednesday and Sunday. So, yep, look out for that. I do appreciate everybody that is watching right now. And let's get to turning this, and I will catch you at the end. Okay guys, it was a interesting day turning. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it actually turned out really beautiful though. Could be a little bowl. old rings. I was gonna make a kind of saw in the you'll see in the video. I was gonna make it to where like a little spot where you can put the rings, but I just didn't like it. It didn't look good. So I just scrapped that. Went with just a flat bowl. It has a little bit of a lip in there. But this cherry turned out really, really nice. It's really light actually. Has just a tiny little foot that barely is just kind of, when it's sitting there, it looks like it's floating. Kind of like it. Anyway, guys, if you got to the end, as you can see, it's not always easy. You'll struggle, you adapt, overcome, you can still come out with something really nice. So don't ever get discouraged if you're out there and you're struggling, because it will happen. Just sit back, like me, I just, puff on my cigar a little bit, think it out, you'll still make it happen. So, thanks a lot again, guys, if you guys are watching this. Appreciate all the love and the support I've been getting. Until next time, I'll see ya.